online privacy protection.
Show me your cheese. Oh my god.
Doing to Bo? Are you okay, Bo?
I'm dying. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. Oh.
Hey, no, hey, you have your own bed.
Remember how nice it is?
Don't you want to sleep in that one? Then I will.
It's Mama.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
Stop. Ow! Ho?
I really wanted this to go, and my friend mine, I can't find it.
Catch it.
Oh, what's up, kiddo? That hurt, huh?
Blue! No. No, sir. Hey, you can't be doing that to Harvey. No, he can't roll over.